It requires only 3 minutes of your time to torch belly fat within days with this efficient workout. Our routine is built around a couple of straightforward exercises you can easily perform right at home, and absolutely no equipment is necessary. So, make this workout part of your morning routine with us every day. And in just 3 weeks, you will be amazed by the results you see. Ready? Let's jump in. Exercise number 1, the chair. Let's do this exercise for the next 30 seconds. Let's go. This fantastic yoga posture, chair pose, is a real powerhouse for building strength in your legs and core. Plus, it's a wonderful natural way to burn those calories and get your digestion moving smoothly. Almost there. Keep that focus strong and push through. Perfect. Exercise number 2, burpees. For the next 40 seconds, we'll focus on this movement. Burpees are a total body burner. They combine a squat, push-up, and explosive jump into one fluid motion. This builds raw power and stamina head to toe. Challenge yourself to hit 7+ reps this round. Arms, legs, core, they'll all feel the burn. Stay strong, you got this. Good job. Exercise number 3, leg raises. 40 seconds on the clock. Leg lifts are a gold standard move for zeroing in on your lower rectus abdominis, those stubborn lower abs we all want to strengthen. They're unbeatable for tightening and toning the belly area, a common goal for everyone. Almost there. Hold steady. You're absolutely killing it. Exercise number 4, mountain climbers. Another 40 seconds. Let's get started. If this workout feels challenging, take a quick 10-second pause between exercises. Major muscles in the spotlight: core, glutes, thighs, and arms. But here's the kicker. It also activates smaller muscles head to toe. And guess what? It's cardio and strength rolled into one efficient package. Wonderful. You're doing amazingly. And great work. Exercise number 5, squats. Final 30 seconds. Ready? Squats aren't just leg day heroes. They're metabolic powerhouses. By strengthening your lower half and sculpting glutes, they crank your resting calorie burn into overdrive, helping you shred fat and carve a leaner midsection. You got this. Final seconds on the clock. And we're done. Do these exercises daily to crush your goals fast. Heads up, this routine's intense, but that's how you transform. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button for more workouts. Keep chasing your fitness dreams, and we'll catch you next time. Stay strong.